Hey guys, today we have another great product to review. We have a DJI Mini SE.
A new drone by DJI. Alright, this is going to be the hottest Christmas item for 2021. And let me tell you why. Alright, go ahead and unbox that, Annalisa. Whoa. Last professional drone I bought was like 5 years ago, the DJI Phantom 3 Professional.
Which way does it come out?
Which costs a lot more. This was $299 at B&H, and that included free shipping.
Oh, it's right here. It opens right here.
I'm telling you, this is going to be the hottest selling item for Christmas 2021. Order yours now. They're available right now. Right this minute. Carefully open that. Alright. Tilt it this way. Oh my goodness.
What?
It's beautiful. It's so small. Alright. First of all, gently pull the drone out. Set it on the middle of the table.
Middle?
Move the box to the side. And this is how big it is. Okay, here's my iPhone 6. See if you can gently figure out how to extend the arms.
Okay. They're taped. Oh, it's right here.
Do you need the instruction manual?
No.
Okay, alright.
I'm scared. They collapse back.
Okay, gently, and if you feel uncertain, just I'll do it. I'd be more than happy to.
I don't want to break it.
Yeah, I know you don't want to break it.
Wait, oh, here it is. Unfold the front arms forward.
And this is under 250 grams. Anything above 250 grams is considered a non-toy where you must register it with the FAA. And anything under is considered a toy. This is under 250 grams. They have it listed at 249 grams, but it says in the specification that it's actually 242 grams, and that is with the SD card installed. All right. So you don't have to go under the same rules as you would with a more professional drone. You can, and because it's so portable, you might want to just take this everywhere you go. I know I plan on it. And it has a 3-axis gimbal, which is alright. A lot of great features. Let me bring them up on my phone. Total weight 249 grams, actually 242 grams. And it goes like 30 miles an hour, 9 miles an hour, ascent speed, descent speed 6.7 miles an hour, and maximum wind resistance 23.5 miles an hour, and a flight ceiling of almost 2 miles. Holy cow. Alright, and operating range. This will go as far as 1.6 miles. And if you should lose your signal, just hit the return to home button and it'll come back. But we don't plan on going 1.2 miles. I really can't see me going any further than a half mile. So this works best for us. And one of the great things about having a drone that's only $300 is anything should happen to it, you haven't lost your life savings. All right, Annalisa, let's. Looks like you've got a controller in your hand.
How do I?
Can you take a look at it?
What do I do? Do you know?
So what we're gonna do is hook up my iPhone to it, and we have already downloaded the app. The app that goes with this is the DJI Fly app. So go ahead and install that.
What?
And you know what, Anna, before we go any further, let's you and I take a look at the instruction manual. Okay, and so being a mini drone, we have many instructions. Here's the mini instruction manual. Here's a quick start guide. If you already have flown drones before, you might not have to read the whole manual. They got a pretty thick manual here. I'm sure it's in different languages. Flying the drone for fun, know the rules, fly safe. Consider others, be responsible, and warranty information, all that stuff is right here. Okay, and we're putting together the controller. You get those knobs, Anna?
Yep.
Can you go ahead and put them on?
In here.
Oh, they're inside. Knobs are placed right inside. And how do they go in?
You screw them on.
Okay. Cool. Good. They feel sturdy. And you said there's an extra set?
Yeah, right here.
Alright. Extra set of knobs, but it goes like that. Okay. So with your Mini SE, you get an extra set of propellers. You have a charging cable. One is for an Android, the other is a Type-C connector. And this is to charge it up, charge up the light bulb battery. And you have, for your phone, a cable for an Android phone, cable for your iPhone, and you have another cable for a Type-C connector if you use it with a tablet. Okay, so you have your charging port right here, and this looks like it's for your micro SD card. And the battery is inside here. Let me see if I can open up this compartment. Snaps right open. And looks like you just lift this tab right here. And here's your LiPo battery. And in case you're wondering, yes, it does come with the flight controller. I put my iPhone 6S in. It takes iOS devices 6 and above. And here you have your joysticks, and by default, more than likely this is in mode 2, which I prefer. Mode 2 is what we use here in the US. You have your power button up here. Return to home button, and I had to take my phone out of the phone case for it to fit properly. And you have your antennas up top, and I see a button for, looks like, taking photos, recording video, and this wheel back here, this is your gimbal control. This controls your camera. You can aim downward or straight ahead. So this button controls your camera gimbal. And I will say I like the feel of the controller. It fits right in my hands. It doesn't feel like my phone is going to fall out. I used to worry about that in my previous drone. I'd have my tablet up top and it would just feel like it could fall off. As a matter of fact, it has fallen off. So I really do like the feel. This is a nice small controller, and it folds up nicely. And as Annalise is holding the DJI Mini SE, I will say that one of my concerns was that this would just feel too light, and it doesn't. It has a decent amount of weight. I was afraid that it feels so light that it could just blow away, but no, it has a little bit of weight. I didn't know what 249 grams would feel like, but no, it doesn't feel like it's cheap. or anything like that. And the front camera, so you can take off the guard here. So here's the front camera. And 3-axis gimbal, and it shoots 2.7K resolution. It's not a 4K camera, and which is fine. We don't shoot 4K yet. We really don't have any need for 4K in our home. 2.7K is going to be fine for our needs at this point. Maybe in the future that will change, but this should work out fine for this price point. For $299 to get 2.7K image is okay with us. And so this is what it looks like. And of course, like I said, the battery's in the back here. So what we're going to do, it's nighttime now. We are going to have a part 2 of this video. We're going to charge up our DJI Mini SE, and tomorrow we will shoot part 2. So stay tuned. Come back and visit us. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.